Yo, it's good, guys. Back again, another recap, and good day today. I did just get my ass fucking eaten on Asia session, and it looks like New York is back and Asia session's patched again. So yeah, I just took one, two, three break evens, and then ended up with two losses. So all the profit we made today is gone and some, so that kind of blows, but I'm not going to go over that today. That's going to be in tomorrow's recap, if I even make a recap on that. Good trades, but they just didn't play out, so it is what it is. I'll have to get it back tomorrow, but I don't plan on trading Asia session again, as long as New York keeps it up, because I just got fucking raped, and should have been a win, but whatever. But ignoring that, today was actually a really good day. I took a $550 win. Let's just ignore that again. This is today, $550 win on both accounts. And this was a really easy session, to be honest. Like, New York felt back. So obviously we had unemployment claims today at 5:30, and this is how we were kind of looking. We had New York AM down here, London here, London there, Asia there, New York AM there, and London highs there. Oops. And there's a few other lows down there, but they're pretty far down. So realistically, targets were up here. But as you can see, we were trading within 4 hour gap. Sorry guys, my phone's just going crazy right now. And 1 hour gap as well coming into market open. And we had obviously disrespected the bearish move, so we were looking very bullish on the day. And news left us with a really, really good data wick today, which I believe was right here. So that was our data high. And like I said, coming into market open here, we sweep the London low. And like I said, we're tapping into that gap. We get a really nice 1 minute. And I took this trade, literally, I pressed the button right as market open, right as we respected this IFEG, and we closed above this 1 minute gap too. Super simple liquidity sweep, tapping into a higher time frame gap, respecting it, and IFEG took this up to data highs, no drawdown. This closed literally 2 minutes later, right there. Stops are obviously below here, 1 to 4. Beautiful trade. That was the first one. That was a really good setup. The only thing I didn't like about it was, where are we here? There was some sort of 1 hour gap here that we could have just been testing, but the data low was data high was way below it, so I think that was a really good trade. I like that one a lot, and that caught me $450. So I actually re-entered along again after we make this big 5 minute gap, and after the sweep of the high we tap back into it, and I actually re-entered a little bit early, but I re-entered right here, and I was targeting up to this high. We didn't end up hitting it, but I took profits right here after we broke this gap. That's where my stop loss got moved up to. That was a $250 win. Obviously, we were super bullish. This was a strong draw, and the only reason we didn't come out and take that Asia high was, as you can see on ES, ES had already taken that Asia high last night in London session. So NQ didn't really need to take it, and I didn't realize that till after. And I lost a decent amount of profit because of it. But that's okay. I still got 250 bucks out of that, and it missed my TP by like literally 7 points. Kind of annoying. Would have been like a $700 win, but is what it is. So still a win on that one. And then I did actually take one loss a little bit after that. I took a short position right here on this candle. Or sorry, I took another long position. Thinking, again, I didn't realize that high was already taken out on ES. Thinking we were going to come up and just quickly grab that high. And I got stopped out pretty fast, but I really sized down for this one, so it was not a heavy loss or anything. And my stops were just below this 1 minute gap here. And I took this off the fact that I believe we had a 2 minute inversion. Not gonna be able to show you guys on this, but yeah, we had some sort of 2 minute inversion here, and we tap back in with this wick to this fair value gap, and I figured we were just gonna come up to this high, but like I said, it had already been taken out by ES, so we didn't actually need to take out that high. And then the best play of the day happens. Kind of choked, I missed it, but actually was a short here. Right after we get this IFEG, right back down to these AM lows right here. Like that is a beautiful play. 1 to 4.5. And it even went all the way down to this low, which is fucking crazy. I saw some people catch the whole move, which was 1 to 8, but you really had to have balls of steel to catch that whole move. Right down to here was the good move, and that was definitely the best trade of the day. You also had a 5 minute inversion. I also took the long based off the fact that these two candles respected this 5 minute gap, and barely, but they did, and then we just dumped right through it. So you would have had to enter this one on the 1 minute and kind of just ignore that 5 minute gap, which is not something I like to do, but again, this was a really good trade. Very clear inversion right here, obviously. No tap back into it, so you just had to trust your gut, enter, and there you go. That would have been a really good trade. I didn't take it. I was super bullish on the day. I took an L off this, but overall, $550 win. That last one was only a $150 loss. And yeah, other than that, I got absolutely raped on Asia session. And we're now sitting at minus 649, but that's not that big of a deal. I can make that back no problem. So just feels good to get the win. I mean, this loss right now sucks ass, but it is what it is. I'm just not going to be trading Asia anymore because I should have figured after we got such good price action in New York today, and obviously we moved like from here all the way up. Sorry, that was yesterday. From here, fuck was market open? Market opens here, we go up 230 points, and then we came down 400 points. So I should have really expected a chop, and I actually had some really good trades in this Asia session. I had one really nice short targeting a 15-minute gap down here, I believe. No, it was, I don't know. I got to look over it. I'll go over that with you guys tomorrow, but I missed my TP by 7 points, and that was going to be $700 bucks, and I was going to be done for the day. It was right here, actually. I was just targeting this gap right here. And my TP was like literally at the top of it. And this shit, like, yeah, 10 points. It was like actually 7 points on Top Step. But very nice play off here after we broke this 5 minute. It took forever to break this, and then we finally did. And I got in a short, like right about here. TP was there, and stops were above here. And that one ended up break even. That was a really good trade. I took a few more, but like I said, I'm not going to go over it. And I just got fucking fried trying to re-short back to it after we came up. And we respected that gap again. Got this 2-minute inversion. Took a short down and then got absolutely cooked on the way up. That was a $950 loss. So I might go over that tomorrow in depth, but I might not. So we'll see. Moral of the story is I will not be trading Asia anymore unless there's a really good setup. But yeah, still sucks. I don't know. But overall, great New York session. So I'm still in a good mood. I finally took a win in New York, which felt good. So hopefully we can continue that tomorrow. We got a shit ton of news. So that's going to be a big fucking candle. And I'm going to be trying to bring back all 3 of these accounts. I don't think it's going to work. This one's only got $3 fucking in it. So I don't think it's going to work. If we get any sort of a pullback off the news candle, I'm fried. It's going to cook all 3 of them. But it's worth a shot. Might as well. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to throw these other 2 accounts in it. There's no point. I still got... They're 100K accounts now, so I still got lots of drawdown. So I ain't tripping. But yeah, big candle tomorrow. So watch the fuck out. Don't do anything stupid. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can bring those accounts back, hit a win, and we're looking good going into next week. So I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Thanks for watching. And leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.